my God, this is heavy. Yeah, Christmas came a little bit early this year. Harley-Davidson, want to thank them. They sent us a bunch of stuff. It's from their new Empire collection. And yeah, we're gonna check it out today. Let's do it. Oh, and another thing, no, this video is not sponsored by Harley. They simply sent us the stuff to check it out, tell you what we think about it. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Rocker here, lawabidingbiker.com. Always thank you, that's right, you, for checking back in. All right, so we'll just start out with some floorboards in the Empire collection. Let me tell you, when you feel this stuff, it is solid. I mean, quality. It's really heavy. Floorboards, chrome. We've got black, and holy cow, they frickin' package these things good. Ooh, check this out. This is their machine cut. That's what they're calling it. And you can see it actually has black and chrome around it. So yeah, your choice on what colors you want. Floorboards, let's talk fitment. All right, and a couple different models here. You can see this, they're a little bit different, the way they mount. This is for the Softail models that come with floorboards, and then this is for your regular touring. So any more fitment you need, just check Harley's site. All right, let's see what else we got in the bag of tricks here. Ooh, yeah. These are, ooh, look at those nice looking mirrors. Of course, we got us a set. I'm not gonna take these out of the bag, but good old Harley-Davidson brand heated grips. And yeah, if you don't know how to install them, there's no need to pay the dealership. We have our long-standing Harley heated grips install video. Good to go. lawabidingbiker.com/buy videos. It'll be in the description below. And while we're speaking of grips, of course, if you don't want the heated grips, we've got these regular grips, and these are pretty solid when you feel them. Very, very nice stamped Harley-Davidson. Okay, I have made a freaking mess here. The nice thing about all this stuff is we're gonna put this on this channel. We're actually gonna install it all on a patron member's bike. And there's no better time to become a patron. A lot of man hours and expenses, of course, go into keeping this channel going strong. So we like to give back. We actually did a raffle in the private patron member only Facebook group. It's an entire community, nothing but bikers helping bikers. There's a lot of benefits in there, such as t-shirts and stickers. You get access to the private Facebook group, which is a troll-free zone. You get access to premium videos up on request, podcasts early, live video broadcasts and chat, premium videos, a whole bunch of stuff. Anyways, I will link to it in the description below. No better time. And stay tuned and subscribe, because we're gonna install all this stuff and we'll be coming out with that video in the future. Oh, and the goodies do not stop. We've got a really nice derby cover. This would be the machine cut, because it's black and it's got the chrome rings around it. Of course, stamped Harley-Davidson, also super solid. And then while we're speaking of it, we've got, of course, Harley-Davidson timing cover. Dude, we gotta hurry with this video, Lurch, because we got us a storm coming. So a couple more things. We've got a machine cut highway peg. Very nice. All right, a couple other items here. Oh my God, I am not kidding when I say this stuff is packaged freaking good. We've got a machine cut highway peg. Very nice. Ooh, very nice. A brake foot pad, machine cut, very solid. All right, if you're gonna get the foot brake pad, then you'll want to get the shifter peg to match. And for those of you running with passengers, you've got two different options. You've got the smaller, foot pegs, we'll call them, and of course the really nice floorboards. So overall, handling all this stuff and kind of showing you guys, and you could really see the quality of it. It's solid, and I think it could really dress your Harley-Davidson up if you wanted to, match all the different parts, which we as Harley riders like to do. It's part of riding, is part of it is, making the bike yours. And I really like the Empire collection, and yeah, give it a shot if that interests you. Same thing, a nice machine cut foot brake lever. Your journey is not done on the channel. I'm going to pop a couple videos on the screen here for you. Hopefully something useful or entertaining. Heck, maybe both. At any rate, when you're done watching, make sure you get out there and ride every chance you get, Bikeaholics. Peace.